Alright, so figured I'd give you guys a small update before I headed into work this morning. I had a little time to play with things. I would like to get back to the relay circuit at some point today. I got to do a little research about the stuff I was mentioning last night with handling the timing better and see if I can get a more accurate measurement of milliseconds. But I set up this circuit with this little chip that I got in the mail yesterday. This is a digital potentiometer. So basically, the way a joystick works is that there's two potentiometers, one for the x-axis and one for the y-axis. And all a potentiometer or pot does is regulates voltage. So at center, theoretically, it's not exactly how it works, but for simplicity's sake, we'll say at center, there's no resistance. So the controller detects that all the voltage is getting through and interprets that as a signal that says the stick is at top dead center. As you move this, you're actually spinning a little potentiometer that's changing the resistance of the voltage on the line, and then the board is detecting that, and it translates that into, okay, there's this much resistance, that means stick deflection is this much. So what the digital potentiometer gets us is there's a few control pins that hook up from my Arduino over to the chip, and then I run the two lines from the controller. If we look here, those two lines are coming into here, two of the lines on the chip itself. And within code, I can set that resistance. So I'm just emulating the ability to move this back and forth. So if we look at the screen here, hopefully we can see that. You'll see that rather than when it moves, it being a full stick tilt, there's a gradual lead up and then a gradual lead down. And I could change this. If I add some time here, just upload some new code. You can see it gets stuck at a value when I recompile. So now we should see, oh, I might have set a longer delay in the middle. No. Alright, so you see there was a bit more speed up that time than what I was showing previously. That's because I hold that high value for the resistance a little longer. So like I said, I would like to get this circuit working more so than the relay, just because there's a lot more fine control here, and I have another potentiometer coming today. This one is called a single pot. I can only control one channel, so I can only do the x-axis. With the double pot, I can do X and Y, so we could, like emulate an ogre twitch and stuff. So yeah, that's where we're at. Keep going.